Ready to break free and remove your Visa card from your Shopify account? Let's do it! First, log into your Shopify account on your computer and head over to the settings section located at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on it. Next, in the settings menu, find and click on billing. This is where you manage your payment methods. Okay, under the payment methods section, you'll see your saved Visa card if you want to remove it as the primary payment method for your Shopify subscription. Click on the Replace Card button. You will need to add a new card or use PayPal as your primary payment method before you can remove this Visa card. Now, it's super important to also check your app subscriptions. To do so, go to Apps, then App Settings. Some apps have recurring charges billed directly to your Visa. To remove your Visa from these charges, you will need to go into each app and update the payment method individually or cancel each app so after the billing period your card is not charged again. Double check everything to make sure your Visa card is removed from both your Shopify subscription and any app subscriptions. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Visa card from your Shopify account, putting you back in control of your financial information. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things Shopify.